How to add watermark to Instagram Reels. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add watermark on your Instagram Reels. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. Let us jump right in. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now from here, head over to your profile section. So what you're going to do is create a reel on your profile. For that, you can just tap on the plus icon at the top right and then tap on this reel section. Now you could select a picture or a video for your Instagram reel. So what I'm going to do here, select this picture. So once you've done that, to create a watermark on your reel, make sure you first add an audio. So I'm just going to add this one right here. And then once you've added your audio, what you're going to do is tap on done and tap on next and tap on done. Now to create a watermark, you could just add a text like so. And once you've done that, tap on done. You could change the text size or even create a background like this. So I'm just going to keep it like this, and then you could change fonts or you could just change the way it looks as well, so how it pops out or jumps. So once you've done all of that, I'm just going to keep this watermark right here on top. So even if anyone downloads this or uses the reel, then it will show me my watermark and people will know who the video belongs to. So that's how you create a watermark on Instagram Reel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.